Want VBucks using an Amazon gift card? Here's a quick 60-second guide. First, confirm VBucks are sold on Amazon in your country and for your platform. Redeem the Amazon gift card to the exact Amazon account you used to buy digital items. Verify your Amazon balance shows the credit before purchasing. Search Amazon for Fortnite VBucks and choose a seller that is Amazon Digital or a verified publisher. If no VBucks listing appears, you cannot use Amazon balance on some consoles and must buy through the platform store or Epic Games instead. Add the digital VBucks product to your cart and check out using your Amazon balance. After purchase, you will get a digital code in your Amazon orders email or on the confirmation page. Copy it securely. Redeem the code on the platform that matches your Fortnite account, either the Epic Games website or your console store. Only buy from Amazon Digital or verified publishers, avoid third-party sellers, and never share codes or account credentials. Remember, regional restrictions and currency mismatches can block codes, so check your account region and contact support if problems continue. Done. If this helped, subscribe for more quick gaming guides.